Welcome to Midwest Telecom Communications Yealink T33G phone training. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a conference call. While on a call, press the conference soft key. To dial the telephone number, you can dial the extension, or if programmed, use the line keys to call the second party. Let's call Amy. Answered, you can press the conference soft key again to merge the two calls. Done. You can use the additional soft key options to manage the call. You can press the hold soft key to put the conference call on hold. Press the manage soft key to mute or disconnect the parties individually. Press the split soft key to split the callers from the conference call and place both callers on a separate hold. You can end the conference call by pressing the end call soft key, or simply lift the handset and set it back in the cradle. Regarding the following training video, please contact Midwest Telecom at 812-421-0111 or visit us at www.midwesttel.com. For questions regarding the following training videos, please contact Midwest Telecom at 812-421-0111 or visit us at www.midwesttel.com.